Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is David, and if that's your first time on my channel, I do drone and tech related videos. If you're into those things, consider subscribing and like this video. Today we have the SG906 Pro. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Inside we have the drone on the right and controller on the left. Under the controller we have a box which includes 4 sets of props, extra screws, mini Phillips screwdriver, micro USB cable for charging, instructions in different languages, warning card about the gimbal, and finally 2 joysticks for the controller which screw right into it. 2 antennas and arms for your smartphone that fold out are here. The screen is really good and I had no problem seeing it on a sunny day. On the back of the controller we have 4 more buttons, and the controller uses 4 AA batteries. And here we have the drone. It does look like a previous version SG906, but little bit heavier. Take a look at that camera. It has 2-axis gimbal stabilization, which should give us pretty stable footage. The drone is equipped with 4 brushless motors for more power and efficiency. On the bottom we have the optical flow camera, antenna and some cooling vents to keep it all cool. On the rear we have the battery, which is 7.4 volt 2800 mAh, which is a 2-cell battery, and it should give us up to 25 minutes. It has micro USB port for charging and 4 LED lights that show how much power is remaining. It has really bright LED lights all around, which are awesome for orientation. Now you can see the 2-axis gimbal in action. Without a further ado, let's see how it flies. 4K picture with high dynamic contrast and overall flying experience seems to be the best selling point of this drone. The video looked okay, it does have some vibration from side to side. The range seems pretty good, it should get around 900 meters in normal environment, and follow me is actually usable for some cases. Comment down below your thoughts. As always, I will put links below where you can find it and try it out. Bang would also give me a coupon code which you can use to get a discount. I think it's 10% off, so you could get a great deal. Enjoy the review and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. See ya!